Hello dear students. So after completing the notes of chapter number 3, again I'm here with the explanation of chapter NCERT exercise. So one by one we will take all the questions. So we are moving to first question. Classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic. Here some are the examples of natural fibers and synthetic fibers. We have to categorize these fibers into the category natural fibers and synthetic fibers. So natural fibers, wool, cotton, silk and jute. So among these four, wool and silk, they are known as animal fibers, and we will discuss about the animal fibers in class 7. And when we talk about cotton and jute, they are known as plant fibers. Next, synthetic fibers, nylon and polyester. Nylon and polyester, they are very strong fibers, and that are known as synthetic fibers. Clear? That we will discuss in class 8. Question number 2, true and false. Yarn is made from fibers. So the statement is true. Spinning is a process of making fibers. So this is the statement is false, because spinning is the spinning is the process of making fibers. Spinning is not a process of making fibers. To make yarn from fibers, this process is known as spinning. Clear? Jute is the outer covering of coconut. The statement is false. The process of removing seed from cotton is called ginning. So this is the definition of ginning. The process of removing seeds from cotton is called ginning, or it can be done by using comb. The statement is true. Weaving of yarn make a piece of fabric. So this is true. In the process of weaving, two two yarns are combining together. So that's why they are responsible to make a piece of fabric. So that's why the statement is true. Silk fiber is obtained from the stem part of the plant. The statement is wrong, because silk fiber is obtained from animal, that is silkworm, and that we will discuss in class 7. And jute fiber is obtained from stem part of the plant. So the statement is false. Polyester is a natural fiber. Yes, this is synthetic fiber, but here is it is written that is natural fiber. So polyester is not a natural fiber. It is being prepared in chemical laboratory by using some chemical substances. So that's why we will discuss this fiber in class 8. Clear? Question number 3, fill in the blanks. Plants fibers are obtained from cotton and jute. That is very easy. Animal fibers are wool and silk. Already we have seen in the notes. You can learn from there. Question number 4, from which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? So cotton is obtained from fruit parts of the cotton plant called as cotton balls, while jute is obtained from the stem part of the jute plant. Clear? Already we have seen notes. Already we have seen in the chapter notes. So you can revise from there. Next, name 2 items that are made from coconut fiber. So jute bags, robes, foot mats and many other baskets, they are being prepared by using the coconut fiber. Question number 6, explain the process of yarn from fiber. So let us see. The spinning process is known as, for this, the process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning, by combining two fibers together. So that's why the yarn is being made. So this process is known as spinning, and it is done on machines as well as by using hands. In this process, fibers from a mass of cotton are drawn out and twisted. It means these two fibers are combining together and they are twisting. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. Spinning is done at home using simple devices like hand spindle, like takli. Takli, takli is the another name of hand spindle, and you can see the picture of takli, and if it is possible you can draw in your notebook. And it is done on charkha. Charkha is very popular with the national movement by Mahatma Gandhi. It has been used earlier. On large scale, big spinning machines are used. So this is the definition of spinning. How to make the yarn from fibers by using comb. This process is known as spinning. Clear? I hope you all have understood completely. So today we have done chapter number 1, 2, and 3 in complete manner. So I hope you all will be studying for the class test. Chapter number 1 and 2 will be coming there. So in other sections, chapter number 3 already done. So that's why it is required to be completed here. So please keep on revising all the chapters for your class test. If any problem you are facing regarding any topic in any question, please put your queries on my personal WhatsApp. Clear? Till then, keep on studying. Have a nice day.